Adventure.
साहसिकता,
Adventure.
Riding in the rough water was an adventure.
खराब पानी में सवारी करना एक साहसिकता थी।
Riding in the rough water was an adventure.
Approach.
नजदीक आना,
Approach.
The boy approached his school.
लड़का अपनी स्कूल के पास आया।
The boy approached his school.
Carefully.
सावधानीपूर्वक,
Carefully.
The baby carefully climbed down the stairs.
बच्चा सावधानीपूर्वक सीढ़ियां नीचे उतरा।
The baby carefully climbed down the stairs.
Chemical.
रासायनिक,
Chemical.
The scientist mixed the chemicals.
वैज्ञानिक ने रसायनों को मिलाया।
The scientist mixed the chemicals.
Create.
बनाना,
Create.
She created an igloo from blocks of snow.
उसने बर्फ के टुकड़ों से एक इग्लू बनाया।
She created an igloo from blocks of snow.
Evil.
बुरा,
Evil.
The evil figure scared us all.
बुरा रूप ने हम सभी को डरा दिया।
The evil figure scared us all.
Experiment.
प्रयोग,
Experiment.
The student did an experiment in science class.
छात्र ने विज्ञान की कक्षा में एक प्रयोग किया।
The student did an experiment in science class.
Kill.
मारना,
Kill.
I killed the fly with a fly swatter.
मैंने मक्खी को मक्खी मारने वाले से मारा।
I killed the fly with a fly swatter.
Laboratory.
प्रयोगशाला,
Laboratory.
My mother works in a laboratory.
मेरी माँ एक प्रयोगशाला में काम करती हैं।
My mother works in a laboratory.
Laugh.
हंसना,
Laugh.
The sound of their laugh filled the room.
उनकी हंसी की आवाज ने कमरे को भर दिया।
The sound of their laugh filled the room.
Loud.
ऊंचा,
Loud.
The man's voice was so loud that we all could hear him.
आदमी की आवाज इतनी ऊंची थी कि हम सभी उसे सुन सकते थे।
The man's voice was so loud that we all could hear him.
Nervous.
नर्वस,
Nervous.
The boy became nervous when he heard the news.
लड़का खबरें सुनकर नर्वस हो गया।
The boy became nervous when he heard the news.
Noise.
शोर,
Noise.
The crying baby made a loud noise.
रोते हुए बच्चे ने जोर से शोर किया।
The crying baby made a loud noise.
Project.
प्रोजेक्ट,
Project.
His afternoon work project was to paint the room green.
उसका दोपहर का कार्य परियोजना कमरे को हरा रंग करना था।
His afternoon work project was to paint the room green.
Scare.
डराना।
Scare.
My uncle was scared by what he saw in the room.
मेरे चाचा जो कुछ कमरे में देखा उससे डर गए।
My uncle was scared by what he saw in the room.
Secret.
राज।
Secret.
The two boys were sharing a secret.
दो लड़के एक राज साझा कर रहे थे।
The two boys were sharing a secret.
Shout.
चिल्लाना।
Shout.
My boss shouted at me because I was late for work.
मेरा बॉस मुझ पर चिल्लाया क्योंकि मैं काम पर देर से आया।
My boss shouted at me because I was late for work.
Smell.
सूंघना।
Smell.
The two friends smelled the flower.
दोस्तों ने फूल को सूंघा।
The two friends smelled the flower.
Terrible.
भयानक।
Terrible.
The way he treated his classmate was terrible.
जिस तरह से उसने अपने सहपाठी के साथ व्यवहार किया वह भयानक था।
The way he treated his classmate was terrible.
Worse.
बदतर।
Worse.
Business was worse this month than last month.
इस महीने का कारोबार पिछले महीने से भी खराब था।
Business was worse this month than last month.
Adventure.
साहसिकता।
Adventure. Approach.
नजदीक आना।
Approach. Carefully.
सावधानी पूर्वक।
Carefully. Chemical.
रासायनिक।
Chemical. Create.
बनाना।
Create. Evil.
बुरा।
Evil. Experiment.
प्रयोग।
Experiment. Kill.
मारना।
Kill. Laboratory.
प्रयोगशाला।
Laboratory. Laugh.
हंसना।
Laugh. Loud.
ऊंचा।
Loud. nervous,
नर्वस,
nervous. Noise,
शोर,
noise. Project,
प्रोजेक्ट,
project. Scare,
डराना,
scare. Secret,
रास,
secret. Shout,
चिल्लाना,
shout. Smell,
सूंघना,
smell. Terrible,
भयानक,
terrible. Worse,
बदतर,
worse.